He's just a tiny dino with a clever disguise, for in our hearts he'll always be the cutest little dino we'll ever see. He's the terror of the living room, acting tough in his reign of doom. Fierce and mighty down to the core, swears he's just a small dino